Hi friends, I am at the lake. It's the first time since I got home last weekend that I've had time to get out and get it walking. And I'm amused as heck. So I wanted to jump on and show you why. I'm gonna flip you around. So they're doing construction on the pier. And look, the humans can't go on, but the seagulls have taken over the pier. There's so many of them. And it's just cracking me up. You know, nature abhors a void, right? I mean, look at them all over there in that corner. And of course, there's more in the water and more flying around. Look at them all. It's absolutely hilarious. You know, we humans, we look at all of those birds. And it goes all the way around. And then you'll see the crane. More birds. All the way up the deck. So, I just thought I'd share because nature abhors a void. And if you don't define what you want filled in your life, you may end up with a bunch of seagulls sitting on your deck. Choose. Tell the universe, this is what I want to manifest. I promise it's listening. I love you. We'll see you soon, friend.